Greetings, class. So we had a busy first week and a lot of content to cover. I want to take a few minutes to highlight important content across Chapter 10. The major portion of Chapter 10 focused on differentiating goals from objectives, preparing accurate and concise objectives, classifying objectives according to three domains of learning and teaching: cognitive, affective, and psychomotor skills, using appropriate teaching methods. Chapter 10 will be invaluable as you construct your teaching or lesson plan that is due at the end of the course. Now, we know across Chapter 10, we learned that students are much more likely to succeed if they understand what is expected of them from the onset of an educational experience. And clearly defined objectives guide the selection of teaching and learning activities and help students take charge of their own learning. Remember, objectives must be clearly written. They must be realistic and they must be learner-centered. Objectives must be observable, timely, and measurable for the educator to be able to determine whether they have been met by the learner. As you begin to construct objectives, please refer to the four-part method for objective writing on page 447 of Bastable. All objectives should include a condition, an audience, a behavior, and a degree. It is recommended that you select verbs with few interpretations. Now, behavioral objectives can be classified according to a taxonomy, specifically cognitive or thinking, affective or feeling, and psychomotor, which is doing or skills. These domains are interdependent and can be experienced simultaneously. Please know that there are different levels of behavioral objectives across the different domains. Do take some time to review the domain hierarchies illustrated on page 451 or 450 and 451 of your textbook. Now, Chapter 10 also outlined the development of teaching or lesson plans. Teaching plans provide the blueprint for organizing and presenting information in a coherent manner. Please do take some time to review the example teaching lesson plan on page 465 of Bastable. This plan will help the plan that you develop for this course. There is an assignment due at the end of the term, specifically a teaching lesson plan. This assignment will follow a similar outline with the same basic 8 elements included in the example plan. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to me, and I look forward to our discussion across Module 2 this week. Thank you.